Tor is the most secure browser on Android, and in this video we'll set it up and use it on this device. So let us begin. When you open Tor the first time or even all the time, it will ask you to connect to internet through virtual tunnels. During this process, it changes your location and makes it harder for anyone to track you. You can check this option in the settings and it will automatically connect every time you open it. For now, let's just connect it. Here we go. It's been connected. DuckDuckGo is the default search engine, but for a particular query, you can tap the icon to choose a different engine. Also, all the tabs in Tor are private, so whenever a tab is open, you will have a notification to close them. On this website, you'll notice that our location is Germany. That's because the browser has changed our location. Also, Tor may change your location from time to time to ensure that you're secure all the time. Furthermore, because your location can be anywhere in the world, your speed will be much slower than the normal speed. This is the downside of using Tor, as we get much less speed than the original. You can see the difference in this comparison where a device is connected to the same internet. All the settings are here. We can adjust the tab layout and also the apps theme. Tor can save passwords as you sign in and then autofill them. You can also check this option to autofill the saved passwords in other apps. However, for that you'll need to make it the default autofill service. The security settings are here. The default level is standard, which allows ads and other stuff on the web. The safer also allows ads and cookies but disables features that may be harmful. The last one blocks most ads because scripts are not allowed. Also, you will have a hard time loading images and videos on websites. Ensure you have this mode enabled because this will upgrade unsecured connections to secured. Other settings are here that you can explore. Tor has add-ons, or I should say add-on. It has one add-on which is already installed with the browser. The NoScript app is to allow and block JavaScript. Managing it is slightly complicated, so it's good not to change anything if you don't know what you're doing. The Tor website suggests not installing any third-party add-ons to ensure that the connection is secure. Tor is a browser, so whenever it's connected, you will only have secure internet in the browser. The other browsers and apps will work normally and use your actual location. You can download Orbot for Tor. That app will enable the Tor connection in the installed apps. To quit Tor, there are few ways. You can just press the back button when no tab is opened, or you can go to the menu and tap the quit button. The last method is from the notification panel. Swipe down and see this notification. Tap on it to close all the tabs in Tor. Other Tor browser options are going to the home interface quickly, enabling the desktop mode, adjusting autoplay for each website, and deleting cookies and data for each website. Anyway, this is all for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.